Let's go over to pastel light pink. Now, there was a few other shades of pink that Decomex had that I did not get, and when I get those eventually, I'll definitely add some as part of this video series as a playlist item. But let's try the light pink. And let's compare that to the blush. So the bottom one's their blush. Top one's the light pink. Oh, that's going to be beautiful for flowers. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. Princess Peach, her dress, I can see that being really beautiful for her. My mind's just going through a lot of different colors that I could really see this being right on.